Okay, so guys, I'm gonna talk about why this Rubik's Cube is named the Yoshimoto Cube. So guys, the reasons why is because that this is a Yoshimoto Cube, but when you open it, you see some hidden things. Reason number 2. You may think this is like an infinity cube, but it's not. Well guys, it looks like an infinity cube, but look, watch what happens. Okay, this is my fourth reason why. Okay, so this is the fourth reason why. It's because it can make these two identical star balls. Oops, you don't want to see that. Okay, and this is the fourth reason why. It's because it can do this to this. That means it can make these two squares like the original one. Okay, this is my last reason why. It's because you can put it back together like this. You can put it back together. Whoops, I have to flip it around. So guys, you can put it back together. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe to G Honey because we're trying to reach 800 subscribers and we gotta beat that, and we gotta get to 800 subscribers by the end of this month. So guys, please make sure you guys are subscribing. And guys, what we learned in this video is guys, we just learned about Yoshimoto Cube and why it's called that name. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more cool puzzles. Oh, and make sure like and subscribe to our channel. I can enjoy my day with that relaxing Rubik's Cube. Wait, what?